yan at atong chapter test. I guess you studied from the operating console down to the X-ray tube, and we're not yet done with the X-ray tube. So this time, mag-check muna tayo ng attendance, but this redemption point will be credited to the next chapter test. Okay, kung i-credit ko yan, nadako na 15 points na tak add. So, anakong laiga, i-credit muna ang the past two previous online meeting. Okay, so let me check your attendance. Let me see if you are there. No, wag na kayong mahiya. Kung feeling nyo pangit kayo, alam ko na yan, matagal na. Sana mga ada pahigdaan. Akala ko ba nag-PE ka mo online? Dapat mga blason na kamo, nakakarigo na kamo, diriad. Ayun, sana Mr. Ringting, panmuta na. Okay. Sige. But aswang taringting. Okay. Sige. So, ay, Bornilio, di rin na open camera siya. Ayun. Okay. Ay, share po ngayon. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Keme. Okay. Sige. Ayun. Mapait ka smile ni Kuan. Mapait ka smile ni Kapate. Sana all. Sige, so this is again RT224. Actually, I want to have this discussion sana face to face. Kaya lang last week, alam niyo naman masyadong toxic yung schedule last week. 1 AM na natapos ang amon canvassing for the election. So hindi ko na kinaya ng katawang lupa ko na mag-handle pa ng face-to-face classes last week. Parang feeling ko, mag-klase nga niya ko last week ng face-to-face at 9 AM, madidextrosan ko dadakad. So, I prefer not to relax lang muna. At anyway, I hope we can a little bit explain further on ano taton magusto makuha for this day. So last time we discussed let me share my entire screen. So if you have questions, do not hesitate. You may interrupt me. That I appreciate that, so that our online class will become more interactive as possible. Share. Okay, so I hope you can see now my screen. Yes, there you have it. Okay, so last time we discussed all about the X-ray tube. So we discussed the components of the X-ray tube. From the support system, we have the ceiling support, floor, and the C-arm support system. And then we have the external components of the X-ray tube, protective housing, the PBL, collimator, the glass envelope, metal enclosure, and we also tackle the different types of filters that are applicable in radiology. So we have inherent and added that can be found in the X-ray tube or part of the X-ray tube. And we also discuss another type of filtration, yung mga tinatawag nating tissue compensating filters, although they are not part of the X-ray imaging system. So we also discussed the internal components, starting with the cathode. We talk about the filament, the focusing cap. Yun lang naman yung dalawa sa importante sa cathode. And we discussed about the anode. So we differentiate the two different types of anode, stationary and rotating anode. Okay, so we talk about the different composition of the anode, the target. Okay, so focal spot, line focus principle, anodal effect of focus radiation. So dito tayo nag-stop sa of focus radiation. So this morning I want your participation kahit paano. So I can say that later makaka-answer kayo for our chapter examination. Don't you worry, madali lang naman yung chapter exam. It's only konti lang, mga 70 items lang kasi tinatamad ako kagabi. So sabi ko, ay naku, wala akong magawa sa buhay. Kaya yun, instead na 40, I added, may mga pumasok pa sa isip ko yun. So medyo dumami na siya. Kaya tinatamad talaga ako. Pag ginuhubya talaga ako, may ton talaga nadamay chapter test. So 70 lang. Okay nga, waray mag 100. Ano. But anyway, so this is our focus for today is to secure that the X-ray tube is of good condition. No? So we need to prevent the X-ray tube failure. So X-ray tube failure has several causes, but the most of which are related to the thermal characteristic of the X-ray tube. Yung heat capacity ng X-ray tube, ano, yung pinaka-concern natin dito. Kasi pag masyadong mainit yung X-ray tube, parang ngayon lang heat index, parang hindi magiging maganda yung performance ng ating X-ray tube. Kaya para ma-prevent natin yung thermal characteristics or thermal factors ng X-ray tube, so may mga remedies tayo dyan that we need to discuss this morning. So the heat can be dissipated in 3 ways. So could be in form of radiation. Radiation, yung definition natin in physics, this is energy emitted and transferred through matter. So radiation, this is the transfer of heat emission of infrared radiation. So it could be in a form of conduction. This is the transfer of energy from one area to another. So for example, yung ginagawa nila no, like yung heat will be dissipated kung gumagamit ng rotating anode, will be dissipated in the anode itself. Then the heat will be dissipated through the rotor and then to the Diala oil, in which there's a dissipation, the use of conduction. And we need convection. This is the transfer of heat by movement of heated substance from one place to another. So these are the things that yung mga phenomena, yung mga nangyayari sa loob ng X-ray tube para hindi siya yung heat capacity ng X-ray tube is still there. Okay, so a second type of X-ray tube failure results from maintaining the anode at elevated temperatures for prolonged periods. Ganun din temperature din yung concern natin. So that's why during exposures lasting to 1 to 3 seconds, the temperature of the anode may be insufficient or may be sufficient to cause it to glow like incandescent light bulb. And the final cause of high tube failure involves the filament of high temperature. So kung makita natin, puro talaga heat ang problema. Parang aton nga naging encounter, puro heat. Kaya nag-online class kita because of this heat index. But as I've said, para ba sa X-ray machine, there should be a long-term solution. Kasi sa X-ray machine, hindi naman tumasugad niya because of the heat, paparungon la dire gamiton. Di ba? There's a long-term solution for to compensate the heat that is emitted by the X-ray tube. So yung ginihimo naton, so yung compute naton ang heat units, tapos nabalyo kitang aircon nakatapat sa nai-emit nga heat of that X-ray tube. So parang unta diba sa school. So aram naton yung heat index, unta dire kay online kahit mga estudyante liwat pag nagiging problema liwat sige online kami liwat nga mga teacher nagihit kay keme waray naka-join sa online class keme Dora sir keme ayun ka unta mo anin paagi nga dire ganun lang nga keme sabagay direct ganun ka familiar kung ano't mga pwede mo. Okay, so the most frequent cause of abrupt tube failure is electron arcing from the filament to the enclosure because of vaporized tungsten. So tigam niya, I hope you need to be responsible what is arcing. So this is the most frequent cause of abrupt tube failure. Again, electron arcing from filament to the enclosure because of natatabunan filament an aton enclosure because of vaporized filament. So nagkakamay dahin tube electron arcing. So there are 3 types of X-ray tube rating charts that are particularly important. Ang aton nga i-discuss this morning, as I've said, I need your attention, I need your participation on this one. So we have radiographic rating chart, we have anode cooling chart and housing cooling chart. So parehas malera cooling. So in a way, parehas that era approach. Nag-ibala dito kay didi specific siya sa anode, didi housing. But anyway, so ito siya. So we have radiographic rating chart. So ini siya nga aton radiographic rating chart. So i-remind ko ha, kita niyo kung diin kuha kanang GE. So kanang GE ni nga makina. So each machine has has a specific radiographic rating chart. So makikita ini naton nga radiographic rating chart kung mag-value ka mo X-ray machine niyo, so makikita ini niyo yung radiographic rating chart dito iyo manual. Ang tawag iton yung sa manual sa kanan makina. Di ba kanan pag halimbawa nabalyo nga ni kamuhin cellphone, mabalyo nga ni kamuhin kung ano-ano ang mga appliances, di ba may mga ito dito nakabutang ito dito nga manual. So to makikita ito nimo dito itong radiographic rating chart once pag purchases na imuhan machine ato siya dito naka-include. So hanapan na dito for several pages nasaan yung radiographic rating chart. So again, yung makikita natin dito sa ating online, sa ating virtual screen, this is from GE. GE nga machine, General Electronics nga machine. So diri bangin sa iba, like halimbawa gumamit ka mo ng Shimadzu, gumamit ka mo Siemens, gumamit ka mo for example, aton school, Allengers. So it might be probably different from, of course, it is different from this one. Kay iba ini nga machine, no? So the X and Y axis shows scales of two parameters. We have time and KVP. So again, for the X axis, tama ba? X is pabaw-baw. So this one, may kita natin kilovoltage. I-discard ko lang muna. Tanggalon ko lang muna ini para mas ayun. So kung makita natin in the x-axis, so nandito yung KVP. Okay, so teka lang. Tapusin ko lang muna. Discard. Okay, so here we have a given MA, any combination of KVP. So una natin na i-consider dito guys, kailangan hanapon muna natin dito. Okay, so tanan ini upat ini nga graph. So we have graph 1 or chart number 1. We have chart number 2, bawang color. So we have chart number 2. We have from dito sa baba naman, meron tayong chart number 3. Okay. And finally, ang pangit sa we have chart number 4. So again, dalawa yung parameter. Sa x-axis, nandito yung KVP. So tanan nito may KVP. Okay. So, and then, sabi dito may time. So tanan nito may exposure time. 0.1, 0.005, 0.01, 0.11. Tapos, mga time. So, yung given MA, okay, so for any given MA, so may kita nimo ang mga MA, hindi nga mga nakagraph na siya, sulod. Yan. So, mga naka-indicate siya dito na niya MA. So, for any given MA, any combination of KVP that lies below the curve is safe. Discard muna ha. So, kung halimbawa, i-plot natin. For example, we need to any combination of KVP that and time that lies above the curve represents desired MA is unsafe. So dalawa yung pwede nating pwede natin masugad nga sayo nga technical factor is safe and the other technical factor is unsafe. Ano taro? Para masugad nga ito nga safe, kailangan ang pag-plot mo lies below the MA curve. For example, masugad kita 75 KVP tapos ang combination niya is 0.1 second tapos 150 MA. So ginplot naton. So adi siya didi an intersection ni KVP ngayon exposure time. Adi pa man an aton 150 MA. So since this is below the curve ng 150 MA, so we can say that 75 kVp, 0.1 second, 150 MA is a safe technical factor. But before that, kailangan makita ninyo guys nga mga ini siya nga adiha sulod. Masugad siya dida. Single phase. Kay one man lang one. Single phase. Yan. Adi three phase. Tapos masugad siya 6 mm. Ayan, kailangan i-consider ni naton. 0.6 mm. Adiliwat 1.0 mm. So kay para ma-identify mo kung ano nga graph ang gagamiton mo. So masugad siya dito. Ang technical factor naton is 75 kVp, 150 MA, 0.1 second, 0.6 mm, single phase, tapos 3,400 PM. So meaning, ang nahanapon ang imo reference nga graph is this one. So pag magsugad siya dito, halimbawa, okay. So again, kung an aton technical factor is below the curve, so meaning this is safe to use, and for the technical factor that is above is unsafe to use. Like another, okay, so halimbawa masugad kita ito nga, okay, 75 kVp. Sorry, dapat hindi discard. So masugad kita nga ito, 75 kVp. Hirap nito. What else? 500 MA. Mm, 0.1 second. Wala na din. 3,001 point. Six. So for example, this one, 75 kVp, 500 MA, 0.1 second, 3,400 RPM, 1.0 millimeter fs. So yung 1.0 millimeter fs guys, that is the focal spot size. So we have two focal spot sizes. We have 0.6 millimeter focal spot size, and we have 1 millimeter focal spot size. So of course, the RPM, this is the revolution per minute of a rotating anode. We have exposure time, MA. So kung kitaon natin, 75 kVp, 500 MA, 0.1 second, 3,400 RPM, 1.0 millimeter focal spot size, kitaon natin dito aton PowerPoint. Then we can say that, kung i-plot natin, so 3,400 RPM, 1 millimeter focal spot size. So itong graph ang aton gagamiton, mao nga chart aton gagamiton. So always mo ito i-consider muna kung ano nga focal spot size ng ano RPM. So sunod naton, hanapon naton 75 kVp. Tapos ang aton reference point should be the graph nga 500 MA. So kailangan ang aton technical factor para masugad naton nga safe, kailangan adi paunta siya below the line ng 500 MA. But since kung i-plot natin, nandito ang camera intersection, so this is lies above the curve representing the third MA, so this is unsafe. No? So nakuha. Okay, so let's try this exercises. Okay, so you put safe letter A, 95 kVp, 150 MA. Sige, so butang nala sa ating in-call messages Ano to yung answer for letter A? Is it safe or is it unsafe? So 95 kbp, 150 mA, 1 second, 3,400 RPM, 0.6 millimeter fs. For letter B, 85 kbp, 400 mA. Sandali lang. I-reduce ko na lalugod adi. Yay. Dali ha. Para padakong ko nalaan. Ano? Ang graph. O kahit papaano siguro nakikita na niyo. Okay, so letter B, 85 kVp, 400 mA, 0.5 second, 3,400 RPM, 1 millimeter focal spot size. Letter C, 125 kVp, 500 mA, 0.1 second, 10,000 RPM, 1 millimeter focal spot size. Letter D, 75 kVp, 700 mA, 0.3 second, 10,000 RPM, 1 millimeter focal spot size. And finally, we have letter E, 88 kVp, 400 mA, 0.1 second, 10,000 RPM, tapos 0.6 millimeter focal spot size. Sige, let's do it in 5 minutes. Well, yeah. Then I'm going to check your answers. Dali laha, ma-off la ko ta camera kay kanugong. Please write your answers here in our on-call messages. May answers na ba? Sige, sulat niyo letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D. Okay, sige. So, kung makita natin, and at least you are participating din naman. So, kung makita natin yung yung radiographic rating chart, parang pare-parehas lang nung mga panahong kayo pa. Para ba si Alexis Tejero. Mga panahong safe ka sa akin, bakit lumayo ka pa? Charap! Okay, sige, letter A. So, let's who will sinong nagsabing safe ba letter A? Safe ba letter A? Sige daw. Dumanais, letter A. Why unsafe? Not read, not calculate. Ay, napasok pala. So letter A, sige, Mr. Dumanais, can you please explain bakit safe, unsafe ba? Ay, nandiyan Dumanais. Letter A, unsafe.
Sir, pwede sir, ikuhan mo na sa PowerPoint para i-mod ko, char.
Ayun. Wala na. Inshallah. Ay, gusto makita
Lala, sir, imdan ko lang muna, sir. Kay feel ko, di ba? So, sir, is, di ba, an A nga sa 3,400 RPM. So, ini nga, and 0.6. So, an first po graph.
So, this one?
Yes po, sir.
Sige.
And bago dili is 95 kVp. So, around sa 100 to 75. And 150 MA, which is ada sa pinakaigbaw. And second sir is 1 second. Dala.
Tama ba yung ginagawa ko sa buhay?
Okay, nimod ko na. It diba itong sir nga line kat ada above sir siya sa kuwan. Sinong sir nga graph sa 150 MA.
Okay.
Mauser unsafe.
So this is unsafe. So this is not safe. Okay, sige. Let's very good. So letter A is unsafe. Ay, tanggalong kulaan ko discard kulaan. Ayan. So letter B. Nak tayo ng letter B. Sino yung nagsabing sinong next nga nag-answer niya dito? Letter B. Safe ba letter B? Sige, Mr. Cortez. Mr. Cortez, why unsafe si letter B?
Sir, no idea po, sir.
Ang mga kinakaon niya chocolate, sayang. Letter B. Sino ito? Ayan, pasok. Sige, Miss Reyes. Rika. Bakit unsafe?
Sir, kuan. Pero sir, direct sure.
Sige, ako ito. Para niyan, sure ka na, please.
Ada, sir, nga sa ubos na graph. And sa left na graph. Ubos.
3,400, 1 millimeter. Mas 1.
Yep. Opo.
So,
85 kbp, sir, ada sa boot nga sa may 75. Ada.
Here.
Tapos, 400 MA po, ada.
So, this line.
Tapos, 0.5 seconds po, sir, ada sa may ton po.
So, nag-plot natin.
Unsafe.
So, adi siya diyan, no?
Opo.
Okay, very good. Not safe. Unsafe. Okay, sige. So, sure ka na. Sure ka na ito. Uy, pag kasi ang dami nito. May mga items, ang dami nito. Kasi I have items in the chapter test na mga ganito. So, letter C. Adi inspired. Miss Alexis Justin Tijero. Letter C, bakit siya safe? Parehas ba siya? Safe ba siya sa imo? Justin. Letter C, bakit safe? No, right there. Grabe ka upay answer ng Tejero. Gusto ko na talaga makahaya. Letter C. Sige, Alexter Kapate. Bakit safe si letter C?
Sir, dali lang po. Kay kita try ko lang po ikon kay kung safe or unsafe.
Yeah.
Kasi di ko po masyado nag-say class, sir.
Para niyan, sure ka na pag chapter test. Ginaya ka man.
Very good, sir. Wait lang po.
Ikaw ko ginaya ka. Karasa talaga Tris na chocolate.
Sir, nag-answer na si Alexis, sir.
Paano ko no? Kadali kayo.
Sa
Sige,
chat
ikaw na lang.
box, sir.
Sige, ikaw na lang muna kay Derek ko kung mako-close ko ang entire screen. Tapos nakakampahon chocolate. Karasa talaga chocolate niya, Riz. Labi na kong libre. Paano tatong gagamitin yung graph, Alexter?
Sir, sikwa na lang muna, sir, si Alexis.
Sige, Alexis Tejero.
Ako na lang po, sir.
Sige, ikaw na.
Letter C.
Letter C.
Adi po, sir, sa last mag-graph.
So, 10,000 RPM, 1 millimeter focal
10,000
spot. So, this one.
ang pinaka-ubos.
So, ito. Ay! Dali.
Apa.
Okay. Ayan. So, yun na yun. Ay, sige, yun na yun. Itong gagamitin natin yung graph. Okay, sige. So, plot. Ako rin yun online. Ako rin makita nag-ano yun. Sige, letter C, 125. Parang ako lagi. Sige, dahain siya. 125. Tama ba?
Apa. Ang good, sir, kung tama yun. Pero para po sa akin, safe kay ada po ang 500 diba? Sir. 25 kbp. And ano, sir. Ano, sir. Sorry,
Tapos, sa naton graph, adi siya sa bawbawan, 500. Okay. So, nakikita niyo? Ang 500, adi siya. So, pag-plot ni Alexis, nandito pa siya sa baba. So, this is safe.
Ano safe? How safe?
Safe! Basta, nakitati mo graph. Pag an imo intersection, above sini nga
above MA
sige,
po.
ikaw muna.
Above MA.
Unsafe unta.
Opo.
Kapag mo na imo 500. Below man siya.
MA naman po. Safe.
Okay, so this is letter C is safe. Ano?
Yes.
Okay, letter D. Sige, nag-answer letter D. Discard ko lahat kay hanap kita di chat box. Letter D. Unsafe ba letter D? Clarissa de la Cruz. Bakit safe? Letter D. Marasa talaga treats na chocolate basta libre. Nasaan na si Clarissa? Okay talaga ang answer ni Clarissa. Gusto ko na maghaya. Sige, adi. Tubalias. Ruby Jane. Ruby Jane Tubalias. Bakit safe?
Sir, unsafe nga yan, diri safe.
Letter D, bakit unsafe?
Kay Sir, above po sa line 700 mA.
Saan shot gagamiton? 10,000 RPM, 1 millimeter focal spot. So, 10,000 RPM, 1 millimeter focal spot. Ito siya, no? Tama
Opo.
ba, miss? So, i-plot natin. So, 75 kVp. This one, the line. And then, 0.3. So, somewhere here. Tama ka, Miss Tubalias?
Opo, sir.
So, high na natin reference, 700 mA. Bakit unsafe? Bakit siya unsafe? Nandito pa naman yung 700 mA. Ano yung mugin plot, Adila? So, ano siya? Miss Tubalias, ano safe? Adi pa siya sa baba, di ba?
Ay, sir, safe nga yan. Kaya pa siya sa ubos sa line.
Yeah, safe yan, safe. Letter D, safe. Tama na ni mo kanina. Sige, last one. Hanap tayo dito sa ano. Wag yan, ni Alexis. Sorry, lada kababasa ko lang. Sige, si Miss Enriquez. Letter E, bakit unsafe? Ay, saan? Kalila ha. Pananggalong ko ladi. Pananggalong kulaan, mga nakamarkangan. Miss Enriquez. Bakit unsafe? So, niyan, sure na kamo ha. Hindi ako nala-letter E, girl. Right. So, letter E. 10,000, ano, chocolate pa more. 10,000 RPM, 0.6 millimeter focal spot, adi nga graph at gamiton. So, 88 kVp. So, in between. Kasi di ba in between 175, that's 87.5 or 88. So, reference point naton, adi nga 400 mA. So, kung i-plot naton, 0.1 second. So, above siya, ano? Above siya sa 400 mA. So, letter E is unsafe. So, butahan ko ay X. Pag X, unsafe. Pag check, safe. Okay. So, letter A is not safe or unsafe. Letter B is also unsafe. Letter C is safe. Letter D is safe. Letter E is also safe. Okay, nakuha ba guys? Kasi later, ano ba yung kikip ko man? Kasi later we have different items for this one. So, So, ano ha? Wait laser. Sorry, nag-wait laser ka ngayon. Yan na balak nakabasa. Okay, sige. So, if you, wala ba pakiana? Sige, ano na lang, interrupt na lang later if you have questions. Okay, so let's proceed to this one. Ano na kayo. Medyo dadali ko lang siya kay NU items. Medyo damo-damo. Okay, next we have this. Pero lain ka PowerPoint. Sabi ko nga 'di ba medyo maiha-ihainin nga nga topic bisan tala nala. Okay? Damo. Okay. So ito yung mga kailangan nating sa kanina again, this is radiographic rating chart, 'di ba? Tatlo 'yan. We have radiographic rating chart, we have anode cooling chart, and we have housing cooling chart. So this is for radiographic rating chart, safe, unsafe, gano'n. Ganun, kailangan makita mo yung rating chart niya. So for anode cooling chart, ito naman magkukompute liwat kita inin. Magkukompute. So kailangan, maaram kita din nito niya constant. Yan, for single phase, okay, single phase generator, that is, niya multiplier is 1. 3-phase, 6 pulse, itiya multiplier is 1.35. For 3-phase, 12 pulse, kailangan i-multiply mo siya by 1.41. And high frequency, that is multiplied by 1.45. So yun, kailangan aram ito natin. Or kailangan tigamnan natin para later, dire kita malipat, compare ang heat units sa aton. Sa talaga, may chocolate. Naton, technical factor. This is the formula ha. KBP times MA times exposure time times generator factor. Nasaan si generator factor? Dire siya given sa problem, pero ito at mga generator factor. Again, kailangan tigamnan natin kung ano siya. If this is single phase, if this is 3-phase 6 pulse, if this is 3-phase 12 pulse, or if this is a high frequency X-ray machine. So in X-ray applications, thermal energy is measured always in heat, and it has an equivalent unit in joules. So 1 heat unit is equal to the product of 1 kVp times 1 MA times 1 exposure time. So it is also equal to 1.4 joules. Calories and British thermal units, BTUs, are other familiar thermal energy units. So the thermal capacity of an anode is its heat dissipation characteristics are contained in a rating chart called anode cooling chart. Okay, example, this one. Ito man aton exercise. Sige. Answer naton in 5 minutes. 5 minutes ba? 3 minutes na lang, 3 minutes. Answer natin. So how much energy in joules is produced during single high frequency? Okay, single high frequency mammographic exposure of 25 kVp, and ito combined na ha, MA and exposure time na siya. So what is the answer? Sige, 3 minutes pa man yan. Okay, sige. So, answer ba diha GC? Answer ba diha atong in-call messages? Okay, so maray nag-answer. So ganito tatunihin mo on, no? For this problem, tcharan! So, of course, alam natin that the formula is HU equals KVP times MA times time times generator factor. Okay, KVP is 225 times, ano naman, combined na siya, MA and exposure time. So, times 200 times the generator factor for high frequency is 1.45. So, calculator. So, need to multiply natin. Nalakot iyo in call messages. So, that is 25 times 200, again, times 1.45. Ano siya? 25 times 200. So our answer is 7,250 joules. Yan, very good, Miss Tala. Ayun, may mga nag-answer ngayon. Alex, ayun, 7,250. Ha? Late man ako late ngayon ako. Ay, hindi na yan. So yun lang, madali lang siya. So always, okay, 7,250 tama, 7,250. Always, the unit is ano siya, joules. Unit is joules. Okay. So yun lang naman. Okay. So again, kailangan remember natin ading nga mga generator factor. Okay, for single phase, 3-phase 6 pulse, 3-phase 12 pulse, and we have for high frequency. Okay. And the last part is we have this housing cooling chart. Okay, housing cooling chart. So the cooling chart for housing of the X-ray tube has a shape similar to that of the anode cooling chart and is used in precisely the same way. Parehas la, nagko-compute gihap. So radiographic X-ray tube housings usually have maximum heat capacities in the range of several million heat units, and complete cooling after maximum heat capacity requires from 1 to 2 hours. So yun, parehas lang, magko-compute ka gyapon din ni KVP times MA times exposure time times generator factor. Okay, so ayun, we're done with our discussion. So do you have any questions, guys? Oh, tapos na kita sa X-ray tube. Next meeting, we will discuss the generator. Yan, yung mga may mga generator factor, di ba? Single phase, 3-phase 6 pulse, 3-phase 12 pulse, yung high frequency, keme-keme. Okay, so if there are no questions, okay, so mag-attendance na kita muna, tapos i-end ko, direct ko i-end. You may prefer to, I will send the link here in this Google Classroom. So once you access the link, so you may leave the parang nahihirapan ako. You may prefer to leave the Google Meet. Madali lahat. Okay, yon. So parang you are excited na about this one. Ito ko lang. Google Form. So sure ka mo, maray ka mo questions? Kaya di damot question.
Sir, si Rika daw may
Sorry. Yes, hello. Sir, paano po naging 145 ang general? High frequency, yes. Alexter, tama ba yung question? So, paano naging 1.45?
Sir, si ano po, si Rika nag-raise hand.
Ah, sorry. Rika, okay. Rika?
Sir, ipa-clarify ko lang po. Paano po ngayon masusugad nga sa high frequency siya nga 1.45 ang gagamiton?
Nakaano man, kada problem, there is an indication man, nakabutang man sa problem kung ano nga generator ang gingamit. So masugad man siya dito using a 3-phase 6 pulse, using a high frequency generator, using a single phase. Tanan nga mga problem naka-indicate nga dito kung ano nga generator ang gingamit. Ay, bongga. Yeah, bongga talaga. May daiton. Okay. Sige, so this is the link for your... Pare na ba? Tama na ba? Okay na ba ito na akong kabaton? Tama na? Did I answer your question, Miss Reyes?
Okay na po, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so if there are no questions, so this is the link for the chapter test. So make sure to submit on or before 11 a.m. And before you leave, kuha muna tayo ng picture para may redemption point ka mo next. Diba? Para may redemption point ka mo next chapter test. Kahit paano may +5. Okay, so natong chapter test tagin titikla siya ha. May mga choices nga tanan. You don't worry about about writing anything kay given you just
Sir.
multiple choice man siya. Yes, Mr. Kapati.
Sir, may link na.
May link, yes. Sa in-call messages. Check muna ako attendance kay para before you access para direction na kami. Pero na ikuan mistero. Mati ko nag din kagabi date na liwat. Hangin pa naka-block na lang. Okay, sige. Open fake. Nag-thumbs down pa siya. Okay, so in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. Eme. Ayun. Okay, sige. If you prefer to leave the Google Meet, so there is no problem. Basta make sure to submit on or before 11 a.m. If you stay, no problem. Open ko lang man gihapon. Ibangin mawaraan meet. Ang link. Hindi ko lang kasi gin-post. Okay, so again, if you prefer to leave, there's no problem. Stop share ko na. Stop recording.